Hi, I'm Coach Mary, and here are my favorite toe loop drills. First, we have a back outside pivot walkthrough. This will help you practice loading the right hip and bending in the ankle to take off. Next, we have 3 back outside edges for a toe loop on the line. Here we can practice our check of our arms, head, and lower body. Kick the ball exercise. Remember, the free side has to come through, so heel down and toe up. The toe loop jump glass check. Remember the head rotates last, and you can do this for all of your single jump exercises. I'm a little bit exaggerated here with my head, but you get the point. Toe loop after cross strokes. This helps us get on a strong back outside edge. Rely on the glide to help translate into a smooth toe loop jump. And lastly, we have a toe loop jump consistency drill. I just have a few examples of different entrances I like to use for my toe loop. See if you can do at least 3 in a row. If you like these exercises, check out my guides on my website, CoachMaryFigureskating.com. Happy skating!